Train smart, train efficient, perform better. Speed Whisper. Okay, TPT crew, let's relate your human machine to this engineered machine. Now, this vehicle right here has a big, strong engine, 525 horse. Now, with all that power, you better be able to slow it down. And what this uses are these brakes right here. With all this power, if you can't slow it down, man, that's gonna be a problem. Now, what does your human machine have to help you slow down? Well, your muscles produce eccentric contractions when you're sprinting, when you're being explosive, moving quickly. Eccentric contractions are what help you slow down. With speed, you want to be able to have control. You want to be able to decelerate so you can accelerate again. Train smart, train efficient, perform better.